Yeah, it was good, y'all boys. It's a whole new day. I don't know if this is going to be its own video or new video. So just in case, this is your boy Frankie. I'm having a Frankie day. I'm doing it Frankie's way. And I hope y'all doing the same. So today, man, we finally about to get the oil change. I've been trying to get my oil changed since before Thanksgiving. My dog up at Bell Tire has been mad busy. He is the manager, so I understand that. But finally, he's got an opening for me. So I already got the oil. Let me show y'all, man. Let me show y'all the oil. My trunk, hella dirty. But anyways, I already got the oil. Y'all know I rock that Errands oil 5W30. The best oil, honestly, man. I change my oil every 3K miles, and honestly, at 3K miles, it looks just like how it looked when I put it in, how it looks coming out. So this is really good oil. I suggest y'all run this. I did used to run Rotella. It was also good, but this actually keeps my oil temperatures in check a lot better. And the oil life on this is a lot better as well. But anyways, we finally about to go get the oil change, man. Only thing I'm missing is I gotta go pick up an oil filter. So I'm gonna show y'all which filter I use. And make sure y'all keep y'all service records. I could change my oil in the driveway in the garage by myself or at my homie crib. But if it comes in that warranty, gotta have service records. Drake got enough money, man. Whole time I'm in a happy ass relationship and Drake got me in here screaming fuck my ex. But we just pulled up to O'Reilly's. I did call ahead to make sure they had the filter, so it should be waiting for me on the counter. Okay, got the Mama Luna outside. Well, key once bro's done with it, this be hella clean. Shit. Bro, where am I going? The door's over here. Yeah, I called about a oil filter, a Wix XP 51358. It might be up here. I forgot who I spoke to, but they said they grabbed it already. Yes, sir, they already had it up there. So I do run the Wix XP 51358. This does fit our cars. This is the larger oil filter, so it does allow me to run 7 quarts. I change my oil every 3,000 miles, man. How often do y'all change y'all oil in y'all cars, bro? Let me know how often y'all change y'all oils. I'm going at 3,000 every time. We're here. I was just thinking, like, on my way here, I don't know if this is whole time like a service Bell Tire offers. Cause like, wouldn't they be losing money if I bring my own oil and filter? Cause they usually do an upcharge on that for customers. Anyway, shout out to my dog. I don't want to say his name. I might have already, so I'm gonna bleep it out. But I don't want to say his name because now I feel like I'm gonna get him in trouble. Shout out to Bell Tire though. They are the people who I bought my new tires from. Yo, it's always wild getting an out of car POV of your own car. Sheesh. So I was thinking, man, like, while we on the subject of oil changes actually kind of scare me a little bit. Not scared, but like, you know, it kind of give me the chills when I get oil changes, because I be wondering, like, man, what if when they go to pull the drain plug out my oil pan, they're like, oh bro, your oil is kind of slushy. That only happens when your oil and your coolant mix together, and the only way you could really know that, well, there's 2 ways, right? You'll be losing coolant in your reservoir, and also the other way is it'll be mixing with your oil. You would drop the oil pan or go to do an oil change and it'll be just goopy, disgusting. So I'd be a little nervous, but that's why I change it every 3,000 miles, because if it is happening and, you know, and I'm not noticing any coolant loss in the reservoir tank, change your oil every 3,000 miles, that oil is going to tell you everything you need to know about your car. It's really the lifeblood of the car, man. That's why y'all can't play around with changing your oil. If you've been driving your car hard, any wide open throttle pulls, digs, rolls, any of that, change your oil, man. Come on, man. Yeah, change your damn oil, man. Back to work, man. So I'm about to go ahead and get some stuff done. I'm not sure when I'm gonna pick y'all up again. This video might be spread across a couple days. But anyways, I know y'all already hit that like button because y'all part of the like squad, so I appreciate y'all for that. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the boy. If you want to see more of this, stay tuned. Honestly, I think I might want to get rid of it soon.
Sometime later.
I don't know if y'all watch football, but I played football in college all throughout high school. So I am a football fan, and the Bears have been tragic, bro. It's so sorry to watch. Versus a team like the Vikings, who also were trash like us, but then gets a new QB, and now they low-key decent. Anyways, man, we about to go watch the game in my dog's crib. We all Bears fans. So it's probably either gonna be a good night or a tragic night. Just pulled up to my dog crib. Man, y'all don't know, y'all ain't never met Rumi yet, but knowing him, bro, he only put these lights up because his neighbor right across the street did, bro. No way, he just did this because he wanted to. Got me waiting outside in the cold, asked me to bring a bucket. Oh my God, bro. Hello, anyone home? Let me in, it's only 21 degrees. It's cold, bro. Just like him, bro. He only has me standing outside because he doesn't like me. Oh my gosh, bro. It's cold. Open the door. It's cold. This isn't even Ruben. Bro, oh my God, bro. Don't these dogs look fake, bro?
Yeah, they're definitely.
They're not real, bro.
TV cribs, welcome to my crib.
Okay. New John, okay. Oh, who is this guy? Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, take your bucket.
Oh yeah, bro.
Oh. Good to see you.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get Ruben's dogs to come to me, and they won't. I have treats in my hand, bro. They won't come here. Watch this. Come here. Come here. Come here, Frankie. Come here, Benji. Bro.
That's crazy.
Your dog's never seen black people, huh? See, I'm not so bad. There you go. Wait, come here. He put it down. All right, y'all boys. This is the setup tonight. Shout out to Ruben. This is low key kind of fire, man. I don't know. I was just talking to my homie Juice over here. We feel like Justin Fields looked like he a much better player than he actually is. Bro, I want to play fast. I'm pretty happy the Lakers are losing, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm sorry, I don't like LeBron. Like, as a player, yeah, he could hoop. Best player in the league. Not gonna deny any of that. But when it comes to Jordan, he's not better. Stop, bro. Settle down over there, okay? That's why they get buzzed by 30. He said the Lakers gonna come back. They down by 20 right now. C4 on it. Would you look at that, boys? The score is 100. Hold on, where you go? Oh, point is they getting 40 piece, and this guy owes me a C4 tomorrow. Make sure it's orange too. 135-92. Jesus. Also, the Bears suck. It is bright and early, man. Look at that sun just beaming all on my skin. Got my melanin busted. But I ended up leaving Ruben's crib at halftime on the Bears game, bro. It's so hard to watch the Bears. Like, that whole first half was just trash. Like, the first drive was nice. Justin Fields did his thing. We went for it on fourth down. I think that was the second drive. We had some momentum going. We just couldn't score, bro. There was 3 interceptions, 3 picks we got in the first half. None of them turned into, a touchdown, 6 points. We did get a field goal. Long story short, the game ended up ending, I think it was like 12-10. But anyways, David did lose that bet. So that boy owes me a C4. Y'all best believe I'm going to collect. And C4 to us, man, me and the guys is like gold. That's like, I bet a C4 on the Lakers. David and Ruben bet it on the Vikings and the Bears. David lost 2 C4s last night, so that boy is down bad. But best believe I'm gonna collect. Let go. How much did those boys lose by? Oh my! Give me my C4. Boom! Use it.
The next day.
I don't know how to end this vlog, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take y'all around Target, and pretty much the only thing we're doing is. What are you doing? Welcome to Frankie's aerobics class, and today we're going to be studying the art of whooping that ass. First thing you want to do is grab your 15-pound dumbbells. You're looking right in the eye. Put them up. Hey, put them up. Yeah.
See, this is my kind of.
Yeah, kid. That's 40.
Oh, wow. Okay, Popeye.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, put them up. Yeah.
Stop groaning like that.
We're holding up the aisle, sorry. Is Baby T cheating on me? It didn't answer. Means you are. You're a cheater.
No, I'm not. Oh my god, it's all of the red Starbursts.
I don't know what it is about Target. Is it like just makes me want to buy shit?
That is a lie, because every time we come to Target, you always want to leave me.
Nobody asked.
All right, y'all boys. So we just pulled up to O'Reilly's, man. I just washed the car because I hadn't washed it in hella long. I drove it through the salt and the snow this week, so I didn't want to leave all that salt on my carbon and all that. So I just went through this like laser car wash, bro. I honestly didn't record it on my GoPro. I probably should have, but I did take reels for it. So if you want to see what the car wash looks like, go follow me. It's Frankie's Way. I'm gonna drop it on the screen. Y'all remember those ShamWow commercials? Like, dude used to go ShamWow. You know what I'm talking about? Anyways, I need some of those so I can drop my car off. So we at O'Reilly's. Let's see if we can find it. The whole time it was in the first row. I walked all the way around for no reason. Final Shine microfiber. This looks promising. This is polish and wax. I don't need that, right? What do I need? I don't know. I don't know which one I need, gang. Multi-purpose? Nah. Something like, maybe like this? Probably like this. I think I'm gonna go with this. Say detail, but all the same.